This video will show you how to create an M221 controller image for an SD card in SoMachine Basic. We start by opening SoMachine Basic, creating a new project, and selecting the M221 controller. Then, go to the Programming tab and create the program. When completed, check for errors and compile the program. Go to the Commissioning tab and click on the Memory Management menu. Under Action, select Create Controller Image. You have the option to include the firmware files on the SD card, but in this example we will not include them. For Destination PC, navigate to the empty SD card. This is where the files will be generated. Click on Create Controller Image to generate the files. Go to the SD card to see the files. The script contains the commands to be executed. Under User App folder, you will find the compiled file that will be transferred to the M221.